Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. Early next week, traders will keep an eye on the following macroeconomic releases. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its key interest rate decision for May. Markets do not expect any changes in the cash rate of 1.5%. At the previous meeting, the Central Bank of Australia stood pat on its benchmark interest rate of 1.5% in line with the expectations. The cash rate has been kept unchanged for 20 months in a row. The statement released by Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe read low interest rates continue to support the Australian economy. Further progress in reducing unemployment and having inflation return to target is expected, although the progress is likely to be gradual. Next Wednesday, the ADP will report on the non-farm employment change in the United States in April. A gain of 200,000 new jobs is expected. In March, U.S. private employers offered 241,000 jobs after the creation of 246,000 in February. The March reading was above economists' expectations of 208,000. The ADP figures come ahead of the Labor Department's more comprehensive non-farm payrolls report, which will be released next Friday and includes both public and private sector employment. Elsewhere, the U.S. Federal Reserve will announce its funds rate decision for May on Wednesday. The key interest rate is expected to stay at the same level. In March, the Fed lifted the federal funds rate to a range of 1.5% to 1.75%. That was an increase of 1/4 of a percentage point. It was the sixth increase since December 2015, when the Fed started tightening monetary policy for the first time after the financial crisis. According to minutes of the March meeting, the Fed would favor a more aggressive pace of raising rates to keep the economy humming in the coming years. The central bank shifted its plans to raise interest rates for next year, calling for 3 more rate hikes instead of 2. On top of these events, investors will focus on the following statistics. On Monday, China will unveil the manufacturing PMI. Germany will report on inflation and retail sales. On Tuesday, a manufacturing PMI report will be out in the United States and Great Britain. Besides, GDP data will be published in Canada. On Wednesday, New Zealand is to report on jobless rate. The Eurozone will share data on gross domestic product. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend. See you!